All right, now this is your training site, and we're going to kind of give you a little bit more information about how to use the training site. Now, like I said, the training site is going to be updated, constantly because we're adding more and more training and things to this site. But this is where you're going to see a lot of your videos. This video that we're doing right now will be, in the training site, and all the videos of training that I do, even some of the live things that we have, events and things we've done, you'll see a lot of that in here. Now we're going to be putting together your conference calls. Some of you youth will be in your areas will be actually able to be on these conference calls and direct these conference calls. We also are going to be doing webinars where a lot of the PowerPoint presentations and videos will be shown on your computer and while you're on the phone. So we're going to be having a lot of this training coming up to keep you consistent as we learn and work with our mentors and learn more about internet marketing. We're going to be sharing a lot of that with you so you can be very professional and you'll know actually how to work your job and create some income, some serious income. So right here now, like I said, this is your affiliate link. So that shows you this is where you want to send people to. That's your affiliate link for your Create Jobs for Youth site. Now, your Create Jobs for Youth site, which is what we have been looking at in these videos, is designed to have your TBA URLs web inside of it, and then also your multimedia and other things that we put in there. It will be in this site, so you can send people to one website, and then it will close the deals for you. It will do everything for you because it gives you the marketing for keeping you in your niche, which is youth. So that's why you can send people to your Create Jobs for Youth website to sign them up. Now, you also can still use your other websites like your TBA retail site, or you want to send someone directly to your store, you can send them to your TBA site. But this right here, it will have it inside of it, so it's really good to use Create Jobs for Youth. This right, and this one is like when you sign people up, I'm going to show you your back office and on your update page. In that, you'll be able to see your leads. And when you see your leads, you'll be able to get those leads and know that people visited your site. Now, everybody that visited your site may not sign up for the website. They may not have joined yet. So you can go to and email them, and you send them to this home page here. Remember, the home page is after the first page where you had to put your email address to get into the site. So what you want to do is send them here, since they've already opted in with their email address and their name, and you have that. Then let them come here and they can pick up at the home page, and then it'll walk them through the 3 steps. So you want to follow up on your leads as you send people to your site, so that way you can finish getting them in the program. So now also, so to get to that update page, you'll see right here, click on update, and it'll take you right to this area here where it says step 1, update your account. This is where you can go to update everything. So you click here, and also you want to take this training page and you want to save it to your favorites in your browser, so that way you always can get access to your training site very easily. Now, this is your update page. This is where you go to log in. You can also put this address in your favorites. What I usually do in my favorites, I take and create a folder. You click on favorites, and you can actually, where it says add to favorites, when you do that for this site, then you also can go here where it says new folder. And so I would create a new folder, and then you might put in Create Jobs for Youth folder, something like this. And once you create that folder, now you see you have a folder that will be called Create Jobs for Youth. So now you can change this name. I would just say update page, createjobsforyouth.com update page, you see. And now you can add that inside that folder. So now this page is added. So when you go to your favorites now, I have a whole lot of favorites. I can look for Create Jobs for Youth, and maybe down here somewhere, because I have a lot of favorites, because I save a lot of websites that I want to look at later. But see there's the folder, and then you notice in that folder is the update page. Okay. Now, once you get here to log in, um, you can use um, your username. Now, what we created for my son, B-E-N, I'm gonna go ahead and put his name, his username here from his website, and then his password here, so we can get into the site. Now, I'm gonna use tab to go down. And when we created the site, this is the information that I had put in to create his site when I was in step 3. Now, if you notice, there it is. There's his email address, his name, and you see the list here. These are the different boxes that has you put in the web addresses. So as you get your Facebook page and as you get your MySpace page, and then of course you sign up at our social site, you want to put those URLs here so people can go to your site. The reason why you want them to do that, if they go to your site and sign up on your page, or they know what your profile is or whatever, then you want to go in there and become their friend. That helps us all to network together. Join with your sponsor. Go ahead on and say, hey, I want you to be my friend. If it's Twitter, you want to follow them, and that way, you're beginning to build up. We're building up all of these. We're building up our social site to have a lot of people. So down here, there's my you see there's the web address for his tba.com, and there's the web address for his .net. You see. So what happens is that now he has, if he wants to change this or change, if you want to change some addresses or update something, you can come here and do it. Now down here to the left, you see where it says export leads. So when people go to your opt-in site, like I said, some of them may not go through all 3 steps, but they are a lead for you to follow up on. So you can click here, and then what happens is that you can actually download those leads. See, and you see where it says open or save, and it'll show you a list of all of your leads. And then you can go ahead and download those leads, and then you can put them in your computer and follow up with them. You can email them letters and communicate with them. So that is where you'll find your leads. Also, if I also help in that process, because as an administrator of this, I have the leads for everybody. I can see them also. So I'll help you to, we'll have emails and stuff set up for you and show you how to create a follow-up program. Okay, so that's pretty much the way that works, and that's how you get into your update page. So that's where you want to spend time here in your training page. Very soon, like I said, you're going to see the conference call numbers in here. Any information about TBA, we're going to be doing some training on that, how to go into those sites. All of that will be here, and you'll see a lot of your video links, and you can sit here and go and see all the videos I'm creating for training. So that way you'll be very successful, and you can run your business and work any hours that you have. You can learn everything you need to know because it'll be right here for you. And plus, my email address and contact information will be here. Your manager, that if you have managers, you're part of the program, you should have a manager, and your sponsor and all them. They will help you to be successful. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. This is like a brief understanding of how to use your training site. And just always come to your training page. Always go to your update page, check your leads, and that way, you'll know exactly what is going on. All right, peace and blessings. Have a prosperous day.